Nintendo World! Yay! Blue 3DS for once! Let's go look at some of the stuff here. Ooh! Look at this! Arceus! And Darkrai! Pikachu! Oh, look, that looks pretty cool. Let's go look around a little more. Ooh! Dialga! Lapras! Ooh, let's look at some of these Pokemon. Stingray! Minccino! Panpour's obviously the best one. And here's some more Pokemon over here. The screens. Oh wow, look at the Servine. That's like the one we have. He's cool. So, let's just look at these figures. Yeah, they're pretty cool. I used to collect those. And then over here, it just, yeah. And so now, we're going upstairs. You mean we're going upstairs? Press the 2 button. Wow, look at that bed. This is amazing. Goomba, Mario, Parachuba, Coin, Mario, Beto. Okay, so now we're here. Let's go. Oh, look, Kirby's. Oh yeah, we got this one. Oh, we don't have that one yet. Let's go. Let's go around. Ooh, these are plushes. Look at these. Well, Koopas. Yeah. Waluigi. Those things. Toad. More Yoshis. Mario Yoshi. Fire Mario. Oh, let's look at the shelf over there. Okay.
What about Mason and Jonah?
Oh, look at these. Ooh, let's see how much this one costs. Yeah, I want this one. See, which one looks nice? Can you help me, Kingman? Yeah, this one looks pretty. Alright, let's go look at the TV. New thingy, see it? Ooh, it's the famous destroyed Game Boy. And it's a real Game Boy. Yes. Oh, look at that a little more. Ooh, that looks kind of cool. Look at that.
Ah, le premier Game Boy que j'ai eu, moi, c'était ça.
Oh yeah, we have that DSi. It's really nice. And some Mario fans. Mario hat. Ooh, Mario Kart Wii. That looks cool. Look at that thing there. Look at me. Look at that me. This is cool, man. And Gooby Man. Gooby's fit. And Throats. And this weird tree, but I'm not really sure what that's from. Oh, that looks fun. I wish we had that. But, yeah. Thanks for exploring Nintendo World with us. Now we are in Central Park. It's quite beautiful, you mean? So yeah, tree. It's just really nice, man. It's sunny out. Okay, bye, man. So yeah, we went a lot of places in New York, like Nintendo World, Central Park, the Statue of Liberty. We just went a lot of places, and so. This is our last day, and we actually got some friends on the way. We got Link. Ah! We got Nikitu. And watching our the Twilight Princess. And this is Bowser card. Our Bowser, he drunk drives off a cliff. So we all really want to thank you. We put a lot of work and a lot of time into walking and going to these special places. So thank you. Bye.